the words that Donald Trump used today, enemy from within, I mean, that's Hitler-esque. That is right out of Nazi Germany. That is not constitutional speech. That is not the speech that we stand for in this country, where we believe in the rule of law. And the way that he talks about cities, that cities are full of his enemies. Why? Because they voted for Democrats. They voted blue. And so they have become his enemies. And that he wants to use the military in our cities. The military is designed, and our mission is to, excuse me for saying our, you know, after 36 years, I still, I'm still our.
I think you're entitled to own it.
But, you know, after the military is to protect our nation. The military is not to police our nation. And his misuse of the military breaches the very trust that the military has in our civilian leadership. And as for Secretary of Defense Hegseth, you know, the problem he has is that he is completely incompetent. The military and the men and women who were present in that auditorium, whether they were the senior enlisted advisors, 1-star, 2-star, 3-star, we value competency. That's what we value. He has not earned his spurs. He has zero experience. He's got great hair. I wish I had his hair. Okay, but. And I'm sure, Michael, you do too.
Oh, yeah.
But,
days.
But
I mean, the president made a joke looking out at the generals who said, wow, you all look like you just came out of central casting. No, these are people who have studied, who have earned this position, who have seen combat. And that is why they are sitting there. Not because, Michael, they look like they could play the role of the general. And you and I watched. We had all three of us a lot of the same thoughts. But the number one thought that came to us was, what are these people thinking?
Yeah.